Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be teaching you a cool trick to use for multiplying any number by 11. So let's begin. Okay, so our first practice problem is 11 times 23. So the first step is to look at the number that you are multiplying by 11, and in this case, it is 23. So you're basically just going to rewrite that number except with a little gap in between both of the digits. So 23. Okay, so our next step is simply just to add both of those numbers and write the sum in the middle of both of the digits. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And there is your answer, 253. And just to double check, here's the calculator, and our problem was 11 times 23 equals 253, which is exactly the same thing that we got. Okay, so on to the next practice problem. Okay, so this next problem is 11 times 123. So just like before, we're going to look at the number and then rewrite it. Except this time, since the number has 3 digits, we're only gonna write down the first and the last digit. So 1 and 3. Now, we're also just gonna add the numbers, but since there's 3 digits, first we're gonna add 1 plus 2, which is 3, and 2 plus 3, which is 5. And there's your answer, 1,353. And just like before, here's the calculator, and our problem was 11 times 123, which equals 1,353, which is the exact number that we got. Okay, so sometimes when you add numbers, you get a number greater than 9. And in that case, we need to do something different rather than just write down the number. So I'll be showing you what to do if that happens. So just like before, we're going to look at the number and write down the digits. So 5 and 6. Now, we're also just going to add the numbers. So 5 plus 6 is 11. Now 11 is greater than 9, so we're just going to write the ones digit in the middle. So the ones digit is 1, and then we are going to take the tens place and add it to the number that is towards the left. So we're going to add 1. And then your final answer would be 616. And just like before, on the calculator, 11 times 56 is 616. Okay, now here are some bigger problems. And if you didn't understand the strategy, feel free to rewatch the video. But if you did, pause the video and solve this. And here's how to do it. So we're going to look at the number, and we're going to write the first and the last digit. So 4 and 6. Okay, so now we're going to add 4 plus 5, which is 9, and 5 plus 6, which is 11. And just like before, when the number is bigger than 9, we have to carry over. So here's the 1, and then plus 1. So your final answer should be 516. And you may be wondering, well, we added the 1 to this, so why we added the 1 to the 9, so why is the 4 greater? Well, 9 plus 1 is 10, and since 10 is bigger than 9, we have to carry over. So we're going to look at the number, and we are going to write the first and the last digit. So 1 and 6. So first we are going to add 1 plus 4, which is 5, and then 4 plus 5, which is 9, and 5 plus 6, which is 11, and we're going to have to carry over. So your final answer should be 16,016. And just like before, when we add 1 to the 9, it turns into 10. So we have to carry over the 10, which is why the 5 is greater and not the 9. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. And bye!